starts with The Hangover, Wednesday on 7.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. After a brief taste of winter, we're back into a classic autumn southeasterly weather pattern, and we're stuck with it for at least the next week. This means our nights won't be as cold, but our days will be cloudy at times and quite windy. Another chilly start this morning, but not as cold as yesterday, except at Gayndah, where the mercury once again fell to just 3 degrees. Tops today were all pretty close to 25. Let's start with the satellite loop now. Since this time yesterday, we have seen a little bit more cloud, especially on the north tropical coast, where we've seen a few showers. Naturally, it is the wettest part of Australia, so this is always the first place to get it, but we've seen a few showers come through the Whitsunday there as well. And there's been a hot spot just south of Rainbow Beach where it's been hammering down all day. Now, on today's chart, we've still got a southerly wind coming out of this high, but it's becoming more and more southeasterly the further north we go, and it's quite strong, as you can see from that very tightly packed isobar pattern. We do have a strong wind warning for all tropical waters. On tomorrow's chart, very slow movement of the high. It splits into two cells. One goes offshore, more of a straight southeasterly. So now we'll see showers right up and down the coast and the ranges as well. Not very heavy at this stage. We're just expecting light ones, mostly coastal. And then on the outlook chart, it's more of the same pretty much. If you look at this chart, it'll be the same for the next 7 days. The only difference is that the highs will get down to the Tasman Sea, but we'll still have a southeasterly trade pattern. Now the latest from the BOM. Boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters. Southeast winds are 15 to 20 knots tomorrow, 15 to 20 again on Thursday, and would you believe it, 15 to 20 yet again on Friday. Fraser Island offshore, same as the Bay, 15 to 20 knots southeasterlies for the next 2 days, but on Friday we go up a notch, 20 to 25 knots. Our first tide tomorrow will be a morning low, and the swing to the afternoon high tide will be slow and steady, owing to Thursday's half-moon neap tide. The Wide Bay Burner District, slightly better than even chance of showers tomorrow, at least they'll be near the coast. Bundaberg 13 up to 24 degrees, 23 for Gympie, Hervey Bay and Maryborough also 23. And looking ahead for Bundy, steady trade winds should keep our weather consistent for the next week. Slightly warmer nights, but cool days in the mid-20s. Clouds will threaten but rarely deliver. This photo was taken by Leanne Hansen looking toward Mount Walsh during the approach of a menacing storm. Thunderstorms are actually bright white when viewed in full sunlight. They just look black when they obliterate the light source, which is the sun. Thanks, Leanne, and thank you all. Catch you tomorrow. And now it's back to the team.
You're wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, folks, and we'll look forward to catching up tomorrow night. And a reminder, you can watch our news anytime on 7+. From the team, see you tomorrow night. Good night.
On 7 News tonight, fresh vaccine concerns as